A California law prohibiting most law enforcement officers, including federal agents, from wearing masks is on the line tonight. It's now up to a federal court to decide whether to strike it down or keep it in place. 17's Capitol correspondent Eitan Wallace spoke with the supporters and opponents and shares what's at stake.
SB 627, the anti-masking law. Thank you.
This was the moment last September when Governor Gavin Newsom signed what supporters have dubbed the No Secret Police Act into law. It bars most law enforcement officers, including federal agents, from covering their faces during most of their operations in California. Newsom and supporters of the law say it's needed in response to immigration enforcement operations where federal officers covered their faces and failed to identify themselves.
ICE, unmask. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? Provide an ID. Tell us which agency you represent. Provide us basic information that all local law enforcement is required to provide.
That message echoed by Democratic Pasadena State Senator Sasha Renee Perez. She fiercely pushed for the legislation.
We cannot have these kinds of secret police type operations happening in our communities.
But the Trump administration sees it differently. Trump's U.S. Department of Justice quickly filed a lawsuit to block the law, which has now been temporarily put on hold while a federal court decides its fate. That brings us to now. The first hearing in the case got underway in a Los Angeles federal court Wednesday. Meantime, First Assistant U.S. Attorney for the Central District of California, Bill Essayli, speaking on behalf of the Trump administration, stressed states do not have the authority to dictate what federal officers can do, or in this case, what they can wear.
Well, let's be clear. Why are the agents wearing masks? They're wearing masks because you have these Antifa-type thugs out there or anti-ICE activists who want to capture pictures of their faces so that they could use facial recognition software to dox them and their families and really harass the agents. Each state does not have a right to tell federal agents how to do their jobs.
And it's unclear when the court will make a ruling in this case, but as soon as it comes down, we'll let you know. At the state capitol, Eitan Wallace, 17 News.